Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing good and so am I. Let's start with today's class. Students, you see the sky. Most of the time it appears blue. Why does the sky appear blue? We will find answer to this question in today's lesson. Today we will study effects of light and we will cover topic scattering of light. You must have also seen the dust particles in a beam of sunlight entering the house through a small window. We switch on the headlamps of a car when we drive through a thick fog. You might have seen the beams of those lamps. What do we really see? When we see a beam of light, we see tiny dust particles floating in the beam. That is why we are able to see the beam of light. We see a variety of shades of color in the early morning and evening sky. In the photographs taken from space by satellite, the earth appears to be bluish. What is the cause of all these effects? When the sun rises, our surroundings appear illuminated. The entire sky appears bright. This happens because of the dust and other tiny particles in the air. This is the scattering of sunlight by the tiny particles of the various constituents of the air. Had there been no atmosphere on Earth, the sky would have appeared dark during the day and of course the sun would be directly seen. This has been verified by observations from the rockets and satellites which go out of the Earth's atmosphere. Take clear water in the beaker. Light the bulb and place the beaker in contact with the hole. Observe from the front and at an angle of 90 degrees. Now add 2 to 3 drops of milk to the water and stir. And observe again. A few more drops of milk may have to be added to make the water turbid. A blue tinge is seen when observed along the 90-degree angle. This is the scattered blue light. Students, as different colors have different wavelength and the scattering occurs according to the wavelength of that particular color. That is the reason we see different colors from different angles. Sunlight is scattered by the molecules of gases like nitrogen, oxygen in the atmosphere. The blue color in the sunlight is scattered the most and therefore the sky appears blue. Sunlight reaches us through the layer of the atmosphere. At sunset, the light reaching us travels a greater distance through the atmosphere. Due to the greater distance, there is more scattering of the blue color. As a result, the red-yellow light reaches us directly and the sun appears red. Red light is scattered less than the blue light. The shadow obtained from point source and extended source. So students, I hope you got the answer to the question I asked in the introduction. Students, in this lesson we have studied scattering of light. Now let us solve some question. The first question is, light beam cannot be seen in crystal clear water because dash is not present. And the options are option A, B, C or D. The correct answer is option B, particles. Students, that's all for this lesson. I hope you understood it well. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning.